Hey guys, hope you're having an amazing day. Today I'm going to cook Hen-up Phak-ok Lapen Nempo. I know it must have sounded so foreign, but let me tell you my friends, it's a popular pork recipe of the Karbi tribe from Northeast India, where pork is prepared with sesame seeds and bamboo shoots paste. This is also my first Karbi recipe on my channel and hope you guys will enjoy it. And now let's check out the ingredients. Pork, ginger garlic paste, sesame seeds, bamboo shoots paste, fresh red chilies, sliced onions, finely chopped coriander leaves and salt. Now let's start cooking. Take a heavy bottomed pan, then add your pork pieces, sliced onions, ginger garlic paste and salt as per taste. Stir them well, cover and cook it for 20 minutes. In the meantime, we will boil our red chilies and then roughly pound them in a mortar. Now after 20 minutes, we will add our red chili paste, stir, cover and cook it again for 40 minutes on a low flame, occasionally stirring in between. Now while our pork is getting cooked, we will dry roast the sesame seeds, then pound it in a mortar into a fine paste. Once the pork is cooked, we will add our sesame seeds paste, bamboo shoots paste and little bit of ginger garlic paste. Stir them together and let them cook for 5 minutes. Finally, garnish the dish with your finely chopped coriander leaves and our dish is ready. The slow cooking has made the pork juicy, tender and divine. And as you dig in, the earthy flavor from the sesame seeds pumps it up to a whole new level. While the bamboo shoots adds a distinctive savoury texture to this delicious Karbi pork recipe. I hope you enjoyed watching this recipe and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up.